So we are on the final stretch to our next cruise, and you may be as well. And it is time to go through a quick little checklist and make sure all of your ducks, not cruise ducks, but ducks, are in a row. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are 2 weeks away from our next cruise. Simply 14 more days, and by this time, 2 weeks from now, we will be on board the Carnival Breeze, beginning our cruise vacation. But before we get there, we've got to go through and make sure that all of our ducks, as I said, are in a row, and that's going to be our cruise tip today. And that's confirming all of your travel plans. If you've been watching the news recently, there have been all kinds of flight delays and issues with airlines and changing requirements, and these are things that you're going to want to keep up with. So if you are flying into your cruise port, confirm your flight. If you need transportation from the airport to your hotel or to the cruise terminal, confirm that as well. If you are driving to your cruise port, do some simple checks. Make sure your vehicle is ready to go. Make sure your spare tire has air in it. Little things like that that can cause you delays if you're not prepared before you go. If you are staying in a hotel the night before, confirm your hotel reservations. Make sure you print out all of your documents, all of your confirmations that you need, print them out. Yes, have them on a digital copy. Yes, have a printed copy. Have both. You never know if something's going to happen to, let's say, your phone where all your digital copies are. It breaks, you drop it, the screen cracks, and now you can't access that stuff. Have a printed copy as well. Verify your transportation from your hotel to the cruise terminal. Or if you're driving in and you're going to park in cruise parking, know where it is. Know how much it's going to cost. 2 weeks out, verify you have done your online check-in with the cruise. I was able to do mine today. They have narrowed that window down. Normally you can do your online check-in 30, 60 days out, usually right after your final payment is due. But right now they've got that narrowed down to 2 weeks, at least on Carnival Cruise Lines. So make sure you're up to date on that as well. You've completed all of your online check-in. Keep an eye on your emails, particularly ones from the cruise lines or any of your other travel options, because stuff does change. And finally, go on your cruise line's website and make sure you are current and up to date with all of the cruise protocols and any requirements that you're going to have for your cruise. I have seen cruise requirements change as little as 17 hours prior to a cruise starting. So keep up to date on that. Like I said, the cruise lines will send you an email, or they should send you an email about any changes, but get on the cruise lines website and check for yourself. Know before you go. There have been a couple of stories out there of folks who arrived at the cruise port and were unaware of changes in the protocols, and they didn't get to go on their cruise. And I don't want that to happen to anybody else. So keep up with everything. Confirm all reservations. Confirm all travel plans. Know where you're going. Make sure you're prepared. Check those emails and check that cruise line website, because I want to see everybody on the cruise ship. I don't want to see anybody having to walk away from the cruise terminal with that utter look of disappointment on their face over something as simple as keeping up with your travel plans. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, hit that subscribe button. Let's give the video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.